Hi, my dear Taurus, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. I wish you all a very happy new year of 2021. So many beautiful things to look forward to, and so much of health, wealth, and happiness to manifest. All right, so let's see what messages come forth for you in love and romance for the month of January 2021. As I always say, these are purely general readings, so they may or may not resonate with all of you. So please take them however that they resonate, and I completely honestly apologize if they do not. Let's see what messages come forth for my dear Taurus in love and romance for the month of January 2021. All right, and we have ask for help. What do you really need? Be willing to accept support, and honesty is essential. Speak with love and truth. All right, so someone is not being completely honest in this relationship, or someone is now Taurus, as we know, you being I'm not saying that maybe you are expecting, or someone who, if you're watching for a cross watcher, if you're a cross watcher watching for your beloved Taurian, I would say that Taurus is an earth sign. It is full of stability, it is full of honesty, and it is also very grounded. Okay, so grounded to their morals, grounded, so they are also kind of stubborn. So for those who are actually cross watcher watching this could also be a message for you. You need to speak with love and truth, whatever that it is in your heart, for your beloved Taurians. And for my Taurians, I would feel this message is for you, is ask for help, because Taurus, I know you would do anything but never ask for help. All right, and I know I have friends who are Taurians, and believe me, I know that they can be stubborn when they have to be. So what do you really need? Be willing to accept support. All right, now let's see for my dear Taurians in details in love and romance for the month of January 2020, what messages can unfold for all of you. And we have, all right, all right. All right, Taurus. Definitely, definitely. I feel you or someone you are dealing with is being a little sneaky, is being a little shady, is what I see. All right, and you are constantly and trying hard, or you have already overcome, this behavior or this illusion. All right, so for most Taurus, I feel that someone was acting a bit shady with you, and you have overcome this to a huge extent. You had your sleeplessness, restlessness, and you just decided that I have had enough and I need to let go. So even if it takes, I know with earth signs it is very difficult to invest. So you guys will only invest in a person when you are completely sure or see a future with them. And when they betray that trust, when they betray that roots of stability for you, I know it becomes very difficult. So Taurians, I see in the month of January finally moving on, overcoming a lot of illusion that this person, so someone was trying to show you a picture or an illusion which wasn't there. And for Taurians, I see in the month of January overcoming that illusion, overcoming that restlessness and stress in love is something that is a blessing which is coming across. So even if you have held on to this relationship or this person for way too long, finally you are letting go. And in the process of letting go, if you need your friends or support, or anyone that you need to talk to for clarity or for closure, then do that. All right, there is, and I would definitely say that there is a lot of honesty which is needed, because there is a lot of illusion, or that there is a lot of hiding which has taken place, something which has lacked a lot of clarity for a very long time, is what I see for my dear Taurians. Let's see in the outcome of January what more messages can come forth for my dear Taurus in love. And we have, all right, we have, exactly. So Taurus does not want finally someone who's taking shortcuts and not taking the right efforts, or not communicating in the right manner. There is exactly a lot of right judgment which is needed in this relationship. This is something which is lacking. And so I would say to my dear Taurus, if you feel that even if this person is being a little shady, and if you've overcome a lot of illusion, that a world, a bubble that was created, if you are overcoming that, and if you need any help, and ask for it. All right, so for my dear Taurians, I see that there is need for honesty. And if this person does not offer honesty, if there is a mask that the person has put on, all right, in a emotional or a mental manner for you, if there are barriers, then you can make it a choice for you to show your back. All right, so unless and until they are not completely honest with you, you do not need to listen to them. But I did genuinely feel that for most who have been struggling in a relationship, finally, or for those who were holding on to someone who made promises, or however that it was, there was a lot of illusion, Taurus, that you're overcoming, and in a very very rapid span of time. Even if you are known to be a sign which goes in deep, feels deeply for someone, and for you to move on, it becomes very difficult. But finally you are moving on from something, you're putting in the right judgment where you lacked the judgment, and now you are, in a very swift manner you're doing things. But I would again suggest, and I would request that, in the process of moving on, you need to heal completely. So before you take any drastic or major steps that may affect your life, I would ask my Taurus friends to be very calm, to introspect, and know, that exactly you do not need this situation, but also make sure to come out of the situation in a hasty way. You give yourself ample time to heal, to understand the reasons of why what happened exactly the way it happened, and then to give yourself time to process things and move on. So this is something for those who are in somewhere in between, and for those who are in a relationship also, I would say the right judgment is needed right now. So in the month of January, just make sure, if you're in a single, or if you're single or in a relationship, in either ways, I would say that honesty is very essential. And if you feel the need to contact someone or to have someone to talk to about, or to gain clarity or closure, if you have certain doubts or suspicions in your mind, Taurus, then please do that, and sort it out, in the new year. So enter the year with a lot of clarity and a lot of illusions killed away. All right, so this is your divine enchantress. I hope you all have a wonderful, lovely, blessed month of January, and take care, and I'll see you all again very soon for the mid month of January videos. All right, take care and have a very blessed time. Bye bye.